What exactly is a Critter Cuddle Kit? It's an all-in-one kit packed with all of the fabric you need to craft your very own stuffed animal made from cuddle fabric. Every Critter Cuddle Kit contains the perfect pre-cut fabric pieces to create a beautiful stuffed animal that a friend, child, or grandchild will cherish. The kit takes the guesswork out of making a stuffie and makes things fun. This kit also features an adoption certificate, sewing instructions, and the original pattern for reference. Critter Cuddle Kits are perfect for gifts, treasured baby shower presents, or personalized novelty items. Critter Cuddle Kits aren't only bundles of superior fabric, they're also an invitation to unleash love and magic. Our Critter Cuddle Kit streamline crafting, making it easy and accessible for you to dive into a fun project right away.